well and continuing to stay vigilant. Burundi needs your help. In addition to the ongoing pandemic, the people in Burundi face another challenge. Many people have evacuated from their homes due to flooding, which has caused around 27,000 people to be left without shelter, food, and water. Some of the women are now resorting to desperate means as a way to provide for their families.
Children are now at a greater risk of malnutrition and other diseases, especially COVID-19. There is a lack of hygiene products and adequate food to sustain life.
In partnership with Nanja Novaho, an organization on the ground that's providing relief, we were very touched by what they're doing to help the individuals and families who were affected by the flood. So we wanted to partner up with them and various other organizations such as Nishimwe and UNICEF, Viriginia and Umuco, so we can provide sanitary products, tents, food, and water to help the individuals who were affected by the flood. We do hope that you will help us in reaching our goal of $5,000. We are taking donations through Cash App and Venmo. We do hope that you're able to give as much as you can. And if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us through our phone number and email. Thank you.